All right, here we go. It's Wednesday. That means it's the exercise of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osasera, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today I would like to pick up from last Thursday's question of the week, which was high intensity interval training. If you're looking for an effective way to complement your current weight loss goals, then this is for you. High intensity interval training is a great way to burn fat. Basically, you're doing a series of exercises, one after the other, getting your heart rate up, rest for a short period of time, then you're doing it again over and over and over. And as you can see, it does not matter which exercise you're doing as long as you're moving and getting your heart rate going. Now, I realize that all of us are on different levels, so in the description box, you can challenge yourself at least once a week, twice a week. If there are other exercises that you can do or you're more comfortable with, then feel free to substitute those. And as usual, I had a blast making this video for you. Go ahead and leave a comment, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.